introducing the newest member of our household.
There she is! Where's Minyip? You like my ear, huh?
We've done lots of training so far.
Spin! Good girl. Spin! Good girl. Wave! Good girl. Wave! Good girl. Target. Good girl.
She gets very excited to see the other birds outside. She loves attacking her bell.
Get it, Minyip! Get it! Get it! Get it, Minyip! Good girl! Yeah! Yeah, get it, Minyip! Yeah!
She also copies my laugh.
Oh, so cute!
She loves bath time in the kitchen sink. Minyip loves to scream when I scream.
Minyip! Minyip! Hi! Alright, Minyip and I are just about to go to the post office, and I've got her little bowl of treats ready to go, so I'll go get her. Off we go. She's all strapped in and ready to go. Yeah, aren't you, Minyip? Yeah. You ready to go to the post office? We've just got our parcel and go for a walk now. See the water, she might like that. Taking Minyip to see the meeting of the waters for the first time. She's entertained. Do you like that, Minyip?